Hello all, let us see a small demonstration of creating dynamic report for the admission and examination under the new digital college login page. So here I am clicking the menu admission. You can see the list of various academic year. Just click on particular academic year for which you want to require dynamic report. I am clicking 2019-20 academic year. So the page will open for the academic year 2019-20. You can see on this page under this student profile statistic 2019-20 various attributes are available. With the help of these attributes you can easily create various types of reports for the admissions. On left hand side you see the table. With the help of this table you can easily create heat maps or column chart or pie chart of your created reports or statistics. Below the table here I am keeping this count that I required count of the particular statistics or data. If you required sum of particular data, then you can put it as sum or average or median, whatever you want. Here one sample report is available, whether it is faculty, course, gender wise. So I am moving all heads in the original position so that I can demonstrate a step by step creation of dynamic report. So now you can see the total student count is 660. So let's start with the simple report, that is faculty wise student count. So I am dragging and dropping here faculty. This is the faculty wise student count report. Faculty, there are 3 faculties are available. So in addition of these I am adding course with the faculty. So I am here dragging and drop the course here. So this is the report of faculty course wise student count. There are faculty of arts. Under this faculty of arts, one course is available, BA, and under faculty of science 3 courses are available, and social science, MA geography, having 24 student count. Now with the help of this faculty of course I am adding one more head with the more simplification of data, that is gender wise. So I am moving here the gender. This is the faculty course gender wise statistics. In addition of these, if you want to create a part wise or semester wise report, then you can easily drag and drop part with the addition of faculty course. This is the faculty course part wise gender wise statistics. Now colleges and universities are most frequently required the faculty course category and gender wise report in every academic year. So this is faculty course gender. I required only one head, that is category. So add the category here. This is the required statistic or report that every colleges and university required in every academic year. This is faculty course part gender female wise reports. So this report you can easily download with the help of export to Excel and analyze the student count. Now here I am using the table with the, for this table, so this is I am using column heat map so that I can easily identify or user is easily identified on which faculty, on which course or on which part under which gender and under which category the student count is more or less. This is column heat map, this is row heat map, like this. You can easily create another bar chart also. This is the bar chart. You can see the various types of colors are available, and on mouse over you can see the course name, faculty name and student count also. This is area chart. So this is the area chart. Same functioning you can use also in examination menu. So this is the small demonstration of creating dynamic report under the menu of admission examination in new digital college login. Thank you so much.